Squarespace Gallery tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating and modifying a gallery section on your Squarespace website. So we will get to see all the available options and explore their functionality. It's worth noting that the layouts for these gallery sections offer a high degree of customization. So once you have selected a layout to begin with, you can easily modify it at any given moment. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the appearance and arrangement of your gallery section according to your preferences. Okay, let's begin the process by taking the first step. So you'll need to access your Squarespace dashboard or create an account if you don't have one already. And once you're logged in and the dashboard, you'll see different options from the sidebar. So just click on pages or simply the plus icon to add new pages. So next choose the edit option to proceed. Okay, here we will scroll down to the bottom of the page and we'll find a button that says add section here. Just click on that. So on the left hand side you'll find different options to choose from. So in our case, let's select image option here. It is important to note that the initial selection doesn't hold much significance as it can be modified later on. So for now, let's just proceed with choosing the suggested layout. Okay, here the chosen layout represents a simple gallery section. Regardless of the specific layout you choose, the process of editing the content within the gallery remains consistent across all the gallery types. Okay, here notice the small picture icon within the gallery section. This cannot be found in other page sections. So this icon serves the purpose of editing the gallery's content. So just by clicking on it, we will open up a menu for further actions. Okay, now once you are inside the menu, you will be presented with a collection of pictures contained within the gallery. So here you have the option to add descriptions to the individual pictures. And later on, I'll show you how to enable the visibility of these descriptions through settings. Additionally, you have the ability to link any of the pictures to various destinations. So by just clicking on the setting icon here on the link editor, you can establish links to trigger actions such as sending an email, directing to a web address, accessing a specific file, and navigating to a page within your website, or even initiating a phone call. So to access the link editor for a particular image, simply click on the gear icon associated with that image, as you can see here. Okay, now with all the images added to the gallery, you have the flexibility to customize the links according to your preferences. If you wish to rearrange the order of the images in the gallery, you can easily do so by using the drag and drop interface provided by Squarespace. Simply click and drag the image to your desired positions, allowing you to arrange them in any order you prefer. Okay, now let's say you want to add another image to the gallery, and you'll have the option to either search for image or directly upload one to your site. So if you choose to search for image, you can select from those you have already uploaded. So here, as you can see, we have a beautiful flower. And alternatively, you can also explore the vast collection of free images available through Unsplash, which can be easily searched. Okay, so here you also have the option to select a premium image from Getty. Okay, for now, I'll go ahead and add flower image, and you'll see Squarespace is now uploading it to my gallery. Okay, now let's place that selected image at the top of the gallery. And additionally, we will provide it with a description. So for simplicity, let's just write flower, and we will explore the use of this description in more detail when we get into the settings. So if you happen to upload an image that you no longer wish to use, you can easily remove it by clicking on the trash can icon here. This action will completely eliminate the image from the gallery. So for now, I'll click on the close button to proceed. Okay, now let me briefly recap the steps to access the options we discussed. So to edit the content within the gallery, select the picture icon located next to the menu, and this will allow you to have a control over the gallery's content. So just by clicking on the gear icon here, you can access the link editor and add descriptions or link the image to various destinations. And also to add additional image, click icon here. You'll have the option to search for images from your uploaded collection, browse the Unsplash or Getty databases, or upload your own image. Once you have all the desired images in the gallery, you can rearrange their order simply by clicking and dragging them. And once you are satisfied with the arrangement, you are all set up to proceed. So, okay, now let's discuss available layouts for this gallery section. So, by clicking on the icon located here, we can access the page section setting menu. Within this menu, you'll find the option to choose from various gallery types. Okay, so click on the drop down to see what options do we have. So here we have the grid simple layout, which will display all the images in the gallery while maintaining a consistent aspect ratio for each image. And the other is grid strips, which will showcase image with the same height but varying widths. So here notice how the image appears slightly smaller compared to the adjacent image. So the other option is grid masonry, which preserves the image heights but it ensures that all the widths are equal. Similar to the previous layout, this option displays every image within the gallery. Next, we will continue exploring further aspects of the gallery section. So, if we choose the slideshow simple layout, the gallery will display one image at a time, allowing us to navigate through the image using these small arrow buttons. So, if we select slideshow full, it will showcase the image across the entire section while still providing the option to navigate between images using these small arrows. So for the slideshow reel layout, most of the image will be visible, although some may be partially cut off, and the arrows are still present in this layout as well. So each of these gallery options offers a wide range of additional customization choices. But one common feature across all the layouts is this caption feature. So here, if we enable the captions on, we can see our caption being displayed here. Okay, so let's scroll back up and we can switch back to the slideshow full layout. And also we can choose the slideshow simple layout, but let's just choose grid simple layout where the flowers text appears underneath the image. So you can also adjust other properties like aspect ratio. Here, as you can see in the grid simple layout, the image will have the same aspect ratio. And also you can adjust the number of columns, spacing between the images, and even change the animation style if desired. Additionally, you have the option to enable a lightbox feature for a more immersive viewing experience. So when someone clicks on an image, it will open up in a lightbox on their website. So let me exit this section for now so you can see what a lightbox looks like. Now, if I click on this flower here, you'll notice that the cursor changes, indicating that it's an interactive element. So if I click on it, it will display the image above all the content on the side. I'll click the close button to exit the lightbox and return to the edit mode because we are almost finished. Okay, so there's one more thing I would like to show you, which is how to change the color themes. So by clicking on the same edit icon and selecting colors, you can modify the color scheme of the gallery. This will adjust the background and other associated details. So if you want to change the background color or the font's color, just simply click on this option and select the color theme that suits your preference. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful. Thank you.